Hello guys, and welcome back for another Hbar price prediction analysis video. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons as to why Hbar can easily get to new all-time highs and easily give us more than a 7x to the upside in the next coming weeks. And above all, take a look at the lower time frames, discussing the short-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, I still maintain that from the lows we made on the 4th of November, we started a very impulsive bounce over here in a move that gave us a high in the formation of these wave 1 above the 0.4 mark. Then we started a pullback to the lower side in the formation of these larger ED wave counts 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using that red target area that lies between the 0.12 and the 0.2218, an area that we have now fully maximized. And there's a very high chance that we have a low in place in the formation of that second wave. And whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of an impulsive bounce in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave, and on so doing I get a minimum target area for these wave 3 on the Fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.7852 as my first minimum target area, an area that I'm expecting Hbar is going to fully maximize in the next coming weeks. Expect a pullback in the formation of these wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that ED wave count 5, getting us above the 1 USDT mark in the next coming weeks. And remember that based on the current prices that we have at the moment, if we bounce and hit our minimum target area in the formation of these wave 3, then the market will be up more than 281.25%. And in that bounce, the market will easily give us more than a 5x to the upside. So that is my long-term perspective of the Hbar chart, and that is all that I'm expecting on the long term. Jumping to the 4-hour chart to discuss the short-term price analysis. On the 4-hour chart, from the lows we made on the 7th of April, I believe that we have only picked in an ABC corrective structure, having these as the wave A, a pullback in the formation of this wave B, and finally picked in the formation of that wave C. And after we saw that ABC corrective structure, we saw a bit of a pullback to the lower side, holding within key areas of support on the Fibonacci's, and that was between the Fib level 0.5 and the 382, an area that gave us a reaction to the upside. And just like we saw over here in that initial bounce, I have also been expecting to see another ABC corrective structure also playing out, and you can see that at the time of this recording we have not seen the formation of the wave A, a pullback in the formation of this wave B, which was quite shallow, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the final phase of that ABC corrective structure in the formation of that wave C, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave A, to the then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the wave B, and the minimum target area was on the Fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.18338, which is an area that we have not fully maximized. And if by any chance we continue seeing further momentum to the upside, then we can easily get to the Fib level 2.618 above the 0.19728 in the next coming hours. And once we have a high in place in the formation of these wave C, then from that point I will expect a bit of a deeper retracement over here to give us a corrective structure of this whole bounce over here before we can continue pushing even higher. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Hbar to follow for the next coming days, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.